everyone! Today we have an animal alphabet puzzle from FAO Schwartz, and we're going to go over our letters and colors. Our first letter is A for alligator. And here's our A. Our A is green. Then we have a B for a bee. And here's our B. Our B is yellow with black stripes. And our B is gonna bzzz right on over to its spot. Next we have a C for cheetah. And here's our C. Our C is orange with black spots, just like a cheetah has black spots. Then we have a D for deer. Do you see our D? There it is. Our D is red. Next we have an E for elephant. And here's our E. Our E is teal. And the last letter for the line is F for flamingo. And here's our F. Our F is pink, just like a flamingo. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Do you know what comes after F? Great job, G. Our G is for giraffe. Where's that G? Oh, there it is. Here's our G. Our G is yellow with black spots. Then we have an H for hippo. Here's our H. Our H is purple. Next we have an I for iguana. Where's that I? There it is. Our I is green. Then we have a J for jaguar. Here's our J. Our J is yellow with black circles. After J, we have a K for kangaroo. Here's our K. Our K is pink. And our kangaroo has a baby kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Then we have an L for lion. Here's our L. Our L is orange. And there's a black mane for our lion. The last letter for this line is M for monkey. Oh, and here's our M right next to its spot. Do you know what color our M is? That's right, it's blue. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Our next letter is N for narwhal. Narwhals are like the unicorns of the sea. Our N is teal, and our narwhal has a horn. Next, we have O for owl. And here's our O. Our O is orange. Do you know what an owl says? It says hoot hoot. Next, we have a P for penguin. And here's our P. Do you know what colors the P is? That's right, it's black and white, just like a penguin. Then we have Q for quail. Where is that Q? Oh, there it is. Our Q is red. After Q, we have R for raccoon. And here's our R. Our R is purple. And there's a little black mask for the raccoon. Then we have S for snake. And here's our S. Our S is green. And our snake is gonna slither on over to his spot. And our last letter for the line is T for tiger. And here's our T. Our T is orange with black stripes, just like a tiger. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Do you know the next letter? Awesome. Yes, that's U. U is for unicorn. And our U is pink. Then we have a V for vulture. And our V is right here. Our V is yellow. Then we have W for whale. And our whale is right below it. Here's our W. And our W is blue. Then we have an X for X-ray fish. And here's our X. Our X is teal. And you can see the little bones for the X-ray fish. Then we have a Y for yak. And here's our Y. Our Y is red. And then for our last letter, it's Z for zebra. Do you know what colors our Z are? It's white and black. Good job. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for doing your ABCs with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!